Hey guys, we're back at another cave today. Found this one in the woods. Got Alex, some underground explorers. Got our gear with us. We're gonna rig this up and see what's in here. Going in. That sounded like it went down there.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we're rigging up on the rope. Putting our micro mini on. I don't know if y'all can tell how tight this is, but it is extremely tight. Do what?
Fun one to get into.
Oh yeah.
Maybe go all the way down.
Maybe.
You already on rope?
I'm already on rope.
Right in front of you.
Right in front of me. Off rope.
Alright. Yeah, you probably want to facing me.
I'm going to as soon as,
Yeah, there's a lot of really good handholds.
as soon as I can get turned around.
You know, if you see where they were drilling to get this thing open.
Yeah. Yeah, they broke a whole solid chunk of rock off right here.
Yep. It was a big old chunk. Yeah.
Well, I see the footholds now.
Yeah. Alright, you gonna grab this bag?
There, give me just a second. I already see which way to go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Anybody? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the other side of this rock pile. And I'm gonna turn around so I can get bags and hand them to him. Oh. I'm guessing we need the rope here? Or no? Don't look like we need one.
No.
Throwing it down.
You'll know when you see it.
Alright, let's join everything down here.
Oh yeah. I'm liking.
So down it is on snail shells. A lot of wood and debris in that. Right here.
Hand line up. Thing. Sweet.
Sweet. Well, that was something interesting. Did that look interesting?
It looked interesting, yeah.
Yeah, I guess this was just a hand line, wasn't it? Not yet. Which way are we going, left or right?
Next.
In this pit.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Toss her in. Rope toss. Well, it hit the bottom. Alright. We're on rope. We got our reblade set up, but we're gonna check this out over here on the side. He's telling me there's some crazy stuff this way, so we'll go over here and look at it. Big old slabs of this cave bacon that's falling off onto the floor here. And just look at this floor. This floor looks amazing. Oh man. Yeah, I see. This looks. Look at this. Sneak peek, guys. Sneak peek. Do what? Yeah. Let's work our way over here to this guy and crowd him up. Oh, dude. That's so shiny on camera. Well, we made it back to the rope. We're about to drop it. Catch you at the bottom of this rope. Alright guys, we made it down the rope. Now we're about to head over there. Yeah. Got all these formations on the ceiling. They look pretty amazing. Do what? Growing out sideways, yeah it is. Giant formation sticking out sideways. Look at that, guys. He's got the good view up there.
It's so steamy here. I hope it showed up good.
Oh man. This is amazing.
That was like yellow. Oh, dude, look down out there. In the yellow?
Oh yeah. Very sulfury.
Yeah.
A lot of soda straws hanging.
Dude, we got more formations over there.
Oh yeah. That's where we were looking down at.
Yeah.
Let's go over there. Oh man. Oh man. That looks amazing. Oh man. Alright guys, look at these crazy formations out here in front of me. We're gonna walk up there and look at the top of this. Can't really go no further than this. This is close enough. Just look at all of this beautiful flowstone. If we can get a closer look up here. All of this is amazing. I don't even know where to begin over here. Headed down here to this dome room. That flowing stone, upward dome. Alright. Alright, I see a ledge over here. I see some ribbons. I see some ribbons. Some more ribbon. Some beautiful cave pearls.
Cave pearls?
Cave pearls. Beautiful cave pearls. Dry cracked ground.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. I guess that goes back around where we came from.
Yeah.
And this sounds like some water over here.
There's animal tracks.
Animal tracks.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, them are definitely raccoon.
Yeah. That's crazy. All the way back here.
Yeah. Wow, they're young too. There's no telling where was it headed.
Yeah. I think it's going that way.
Now that I see it.
Dude. There's a vertebrae on the ceiling.
There is, ain't there?
Something looks like a fish vertebrae.
Oh man. Make sure you get that on your phone camera.
Oh, let me go. Dude, there's another one.
Maybe. Oh, that one's even better. Oh, let me over here.
Dude, there's even another right there.
Yeah, that one's smaller. There's a lot of crystal in the wall up here.
There's a whole lot of water right here.
Nowhere to go.
No trails right here.
Trail ends right there. Nothing down there but mud.
Nothing down there but mud.
Looks like mud from here.
There's the other side now though.
Yep, now we're gonna go check the other way out and see what's over there. We'll check y'all back at the rope. Well, we're back to the rope. We're about to head the other direction now. Go see what's over there. Look at all these beautiful formations. How wide all this is.
Dude, look at this. Oh, that's a dome.
Oh, that's a giant dome.
Dude, yeah, look at that though. That's
glint.
Yeah, and then why is that spot black? Maybe it's tar? Look at that rock.
Growing formations on it. You can see where you picked it up at.
Yeah, the mud.
Left a perfect spot for it to go right back in. Another giant dome room over our heads. I guess we're gonna climb up this giant tower and see what's at the top. Yeah, it looks like a long way up.
Wow. Let's go!
Whoa. Alright, headed up this rock. Oh, yeah. This sure is interesting. Dude, I hear a raging river. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but this whole place looks like somebody sprinkled it in glitter.
Is that a river or waterfall?
Man, I don't know. It's gushing, that's all I know.
Yeah. Oh, you can see this one? That's not the waterway. That's still pretty crazy looking though. Dude, that comes huge over there.
Somebody had to find that out the hard way, didn't they? This is a huge room. I guess there's the way down.
This is really misty. That has to be waterfall.
All this mud, all this flow stone.
Oh wow.
That is beautiful. This down here, the floor looks like it's glowing.
Dude, that is crazy.
Let's
That is cool.
see if we can't land right here. Oh man, that is absolutely amazing. Water's coming from that way. We're about to head that way. Wow. This is crazy. I don't say, that is a roaring waterfall. Let's walk up to this waterfall, guys. This is pretty intense right here. That is a lot of water dumping into there. Extremely amount of water. You can see the cave basin coming apart. There's a big old formation behind it.
Let's go, man. Let's get from up there.
Look at that. This water's gushing out of this thing. Wide open. Something tells me it's underwater.
It's not.
Hanging a Ranger. That's intense to be standing right here beside that. Getting soaking wet.
Woo! That's up a pretty good now, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's amazing how warm that is though. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm gonna be yelling the rest of the night.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Is that hole we were just looking at?
Oh wow. Be nice to go back up right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we gotta go around though, don't we? Right down.
What do you mean?
Where are you going off this?
Are we going back to the rope or?
Yeah, back to the rope.
Do you want to go back? Like,
yeah, we need to go back.
Are you worried about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back at the rope, guys. Fixing to bounce. See you top side. Headed out of the cave. Exit just right at the top of this rope. Go check out Alex at Underground Explorers. And catch us on the next video. Remember to subscribe.